Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on SUI. The SUI chart here is still pushing higher, but we are now in a resistance area, which is defined between $3.46 and $4.68. The market has reached the 78.6 retracement of the decline, which unfolded between the January high and the April low. So we have a decline which I've labeled potentially the low of the wave 4, with a wave 5 to the upside to come. And I can call the move to the upside already a 5-wave move up, potentially complete in yellow wave 1. So we can prepare for yellow wave 2. However, I have to say that the yellow wave 2 pullback, which should happen next, has not clearly started yet. Okay, so I'm watching, I'm waiting for evidence that this wave 2 has started. I will talk about the support area for that wave 2 on the smaller time frame. I would personally prefer for this wave 2 to start from here, just because it would provide a clearer structure and a nice, let's say, support area for this correction. Yeah, and like a what should I say? It would provide maybe a jump off point for a third wave rally once this wave 2 is complete. So I'm not necessarily expecting any massive further direct upside continuation until we get this wave 2 pullback sorted and completed, because it would set really a good foundation for a third wave rally. Sometimes the market just needs to calm down, retrace a little bit, pull back a little bit, to then continue to rally further in what I would say is yellow wave 3. So there is much work to be done still. However, I also have to say that the orange scenario is plausible. This is a scenario I mentioned in previous updates, and I've also added this now to the short-term chart so that we can watch micro support levels. Here on the larger time frame, a direct move to the upside is possible, but we need to hold an important micro support level, which I will talk about on the smaller time frame. But in the orange scenario, it's also bullish. Yeah, the scenario is very much in line with the idea that a larger degree fourth wave bottomed in April, but we would take a much more direct pathway higher in this fifth wave. So now let's take a look at the smaller time frame for SUI. And here you can see the short-term pattern. What you see here is the movement from the 25th of April high. In the yellow scenario, you can see that this is seen as a third wave price top on the 25th of April, a fourth wave decline that was the low on the 6th of May, and a fifth wave to the upside that has reached ideal targets, highlighted by the blue zone. Now we are ready for potentially a wave 2 correction, a pullback into this support region between $2.09 and $3.03. But as you can see, so far we've only seen sideways consolidation up there. This is not enough to confirm really a downside reversal or the start of a larger correction. Yes, this is some kind of a correction here, but we haven't even broken upper micro support. So why is this area important between $3.64 and $3.87? And why have I not removed it yet from the chart? I haven't removed it yet because we might see some further direct upside continuation in this orange scenario. So in the orange scenario, I can track this as a fifth wave to the upside, but within a larger degree third wave. And then we can still get a wave 4 and another wave 5. And this can take us to all-time highs in a very direct fashion. So the area that will help us distinguish between the yellow short-term bearish and orange short-term bullish scenario is this one. It's between $3.64 and $3.87. It basically takes a break below $3.64 to indicate that a price top has formed in yellow wave 1. So this is very important. It takes a break below that $3.64 level to confirm that circle wave 2 has started. Until that level is broken, further upside in the orange scenario is possible. So we can observe if the price forms an upside reaction from here. But I would need some kind of an impulsive upside reaction that takes the price above the Tuesday high that formed around $4.10. That's the update on SUI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.